Before I was using SiteOne.com, we were using an Excel sheet like a bunch of Neanderthals. It took me forever to get my inventory done. But SiteOne.com and its accessibility for the list option, we were able to cut down on my time by 75%. Everything is nice, concise, organized. It is absolutely convenient.
It is a lot easier to put in orders on the website and on the app because I don't have to bug anybody at the branch. I can do it whenever I want. The website is a win for everybody.
I would say my favorite feature about using the website is just the ability to schedule a delivery right then and there. Pick a day that it's going to arrive, a time frame that it's going to arrive in. For somebody who's trying to make plans, make a schedule, it's very effective.
From my point of view, benefits of the app is that my customers can be out in the field on their job. They can go on their phone, their laptop, and place that order with my store. It immediately comes to me. I can pull it, have it ready to bring it right out to them. This way they're not losing any time. Time is money, so they're not losing any dollars either.
Now I can go to a job site, talk to my guy. How much pipe do you need for this building? How many fittings do you need? I'll just go on the app, go through and I put it in my cart, select the store that's close by, hit the delivery button, I get a call from the store, and they'll literally bring it the next day and have it on site for us.
My favorite feature on SiteOne.com is the ability for me to upload a parts list with one click of a button and have it turn into an order on the website. And I can plan out, okay, how are we going to get this stuff? Are we going to have SiteOne deliver it, or does it make more sense for the crew to pass by on their way to the first job the next day?
Life was a gamble before SiteOne.com because of the fact that I didn't know what the inventory was before I got there. Whereas now, on SiteOne.com, I can go ahead and look to see what the inventory is.
It allows me to look up a product, get my pricing, know my label rates, so that I can accurately quote my customer and give my guys the information that they need to take that product out in the field and use it safely and accurately. And then also the convenience of being able to get to the label, product information. I don't have to go to any other source. I can go right to the mobile app.
We actually use the My List feature on a day-to-day basis. And again, we have all the parts listed so nothing gets forgotten. Whatever's bid for the job is on the list at the very beginning, all the way to the end of the job when we go to bill it.